Hello guys, welcome back to my additional math channel. For today's lesson, I would like to discuss with you how to solve the index number involving 3 years. Okay? So example like question that I discussed in my previous video, I have discussed with you 4 questions. So today I will focus on a very special question which actually involving 3 years. So we have 3 methods actually. One I call as ellipse methods, okay, ellipse methods, whereby I will draw 3 circles, and then for each of the circle, I will actually label as A, B, and C, right? Okay, this is actually, let's say 2010, 2011, and 2012. So the year you have to arrange in ascending order, okay? Then the formula is just a simple formula. Is C is equal to AB over 100. So if you want to use a ellipse method, you have to memorize the formula. Alright, you have to start with a step like this. Draw 3 circles, label the years, and then label the ABC, and use a formula C equal to AB over 100. Follow the steps, okay? Draw the circle, label the years for the 3 years given accordingly, from smaller to bigger. The smaller one is the base year, okay? And then you label the A, you label the B, and label the C accordingly, right? And use the formula AB over 100. Okay, another method is we use a chain rule. So we always say I is like that. I for certain year equal to, let's say this is A year, this is B year. So it's always IA, then B, IB, and of course we have another year which is C, right? So the C you have to write here. That is the IC, okay? That is called chain rule. I call it chain rule because I change up. I change them up. I say chain. You know the chain? So you can draw the chain like this. This is the change. Okay, let's see how to draw the change. Change up them. Chain rule. Okay, you can use the chain rule to find the answer also. As I say, we have 3 methods, so you have to do this way. And then one more method is I call as a table method. Okay, for table method, you have to draw a table for sure. Okay, you draw a table like this, right? Then you label accordingly. Normally, if 3 years, we have 3 columns. Okay, then let's say this is 2010, 2011, 2012, let's say. So we will just put the 100 for the base year, 100 for the base year. And then finally, we will get the equation. We will get the equation from this one. We just put the equal this one. This is A, this is B, this is C. Okay, so we will just A over 100. We will just actually write the, I don't use A, I use the X, Y, Z. This is X, this is Y, this is Z. So my conclusion is I can say X over 100 is equal to Y over Z. That means the Y is equal to XZ over 100. Okay? Okay, you can put the, actually you can put the symbol accordingly, alright? So if you put the A here, you put the A here, let's say you put, you want to use a A here, no problem. You can use the A here. You can use a here, B here, C here. So finally your C is actually, you can just A over 100. This is A over 100 equal to, if I use a A, it will A over 100 equal to B over C, right? So actually you can actually do accordingly. Okay, so that is how you do for using the, but we are not using the relationship like just now. C is AB over 100. Okay, we have to come up with this one, then we come up with the equation on our own for table method. So for today's class, I'm going to discuss this question using the 3 method, alright? So let's read the question first. So the production index of industrial sugar in the year 2011 and 2012 based on the year 2010. So I'm highlighting the year. So 2011 based on, okay, let's write at this. This is actually meant for 2011 based on 2010. Okay, then another one will be 95.8 is actually 2012 based on 2010. And then we're asking to find 2212 over 2011 based on 2011. That's what the question want. Alright, so question want us to find 2012 based on 2011. So how to do? We use a ellipse method first. Ellipse. Okay, ellipse method. Okay, now ellipse method is you have to draw how many circle? 3 circle. Let's draw out the 3 circle. Okay, I'm going to use ellipse method. So 1, 2, 3, right? So the basic year is, smaller year is 2010, followed by 2011, followed by 2012, right? So I'm going to plug in the value there. So the value for 2011 based on 2010. So that's how you write. Your A is 101.4. Okay, for the 2012, okay, this is 2012 based on the year 2010. Okay, so it means that that was actually C, 95.8. So be careful when you do. 2012 based on 2010 is 95.8. This is a C, you know. Okay, label accordingly. Make sure you label correctly. If not, you will get the wrong answer. Alright. So now I'm going to label another one, which is actually another one is 2012 based on the year 2010. 2012 based on 2010 we have labeled as C already, right? 95.8. And now I'm going to label my 2012 based on 2011, right? Which is actually asking by the question, which is let me use another color. Okay, I'm going to use green, this one. Okay, this is actually asking by the question 2012 based on the year 2011, right? So let's say this is B. Okay, we are going to solve the B, right? So you can call B as X, up to you. There's a B. So I'm going to find the B right now, which is I call as X. So now I will write the relationship is AB over 100 equal to C, right? So let's write down. I use a blue pen. So C is AB over 100, right? So the C is 95.8, right? Our A is 101.4, 101.4, and then times the X. You can use B if you want. So I'm getting 95.8 times 100, okay, and then equal to 101.4 X. So if you solve the X, will be 95.8 times 100 divided by 101.4. 101, okay, sorry, is 101.4. So your X you get, if you press a calculator, you will get 94.48. Got it? So I'm actually using what method? I'm using ellipse method. Okay, this is so-called ellipse method because the shape is just like the ellipse. Alright, so I hope you understand. So I'm going to use another method for this question. We have 3 methods, so I will share with you all the 3 methods so that you are confident when you use. So again, I will write this method is actually use a chain rule. Chain rule. So how to use a chain rule is I am going to start from what they ask. Okay, 2012 based on 2011. So I will write I2012 over, okay, I just print out like this, you see or not? This is actually quite easy, you know. I like this method very much also. So of course we have another year, right, which is 2010. So the 2010 we will plug here. Okay, that is called chain rule. We change up 2010. So then we go to the information there. So you are given 2011 based on 2010. Okay, it seems like 101.4 is actually 11 based on 2010 is 101.4. But you look at here, we are having upside down, right? It's upside down. So it's 2010 based on 2011. So we have to times 1 over 101.4. Got it? Okay, so 2012 based on 2010 was given 95.8. This one is okay. This was given 95.8. It was given in the question. 2012 based on 2010 is stated clearly there. This is 2012 based on is 95.8. Okay, so we will get the answer by just solve it. The problem is for this one is you have to plug in the year 2010 here, 2010 here, and then you just go to the question and then you just substitute accordingly. 95.8, all right, okay, times the 1 over 101.4, right, 101.4. Then you have to times 100 for sure, because as you know, index number you have to times with 100. Okay, it's a number, so you finally you get 95.8 times with 100 divided by 101.4. So you are getting the same answer like just now, which is also 95.8 times 100 over 101.4. So you get the answer the same, 94.48. Okay, this is actually using chain rule. I'm using chain rule. I change up this 2010. Okay, there's a change between the two fractions. Okay, then the last method that I would like to share with you, of course, will be table method, right? So I'm going to explain to you the table method. So the table method is we are going to use this table. Okay, we have 2010. We have let's draw a new table and plug in all the value accordingly, right? Okay, for table method, you need to draw a table. Okay, you need to draw a table. Let's draw here. I'm going to draw the table like this. Okay, so the table should have year and then three years. So we have 2010, we have 2011, we have 2012. So we just do like that. Okay, now we are going to plug in the 100 for the base year, right? So the 2010, okay, 2011 based on 2010. Okay, that means here I will label as 100 because it's the base year, 101.4. And then for 2012 based on 2010, okay, it's 95.8. So here, right? That means when we label, we just refer to the base year. And the question is asking for 2012 based on 2011. That means here is 100, here is X. Okay, clear? Alright, so I'm sure you understand. This is 2012 based on, okay, let me highlight, based on 2011. So the 2011 I will have to label as 100 here. Okay, 2012 I'm not sure, so I need to find. So then after that, what you need to do is very interesting. You just go to the table you just draw like this, make it into fraction like this. Can you see that? I use a green, I use the other color. Okay, can see or not? Cannot? Okay, I actually convert to fraction. Now I can solve. It's 101.4 divided by 100 is equal to 95.8 over x, right? So after that, you just cross multiply. 101.4x is equal to 95.8 times 100, right? So then your x will be 95.8 times 100 divided by 101.4. So your answer still the same, is 94.48. Okay, so this is how you solve the index number involving 3 years by using 3 different methods. Okay, I hope that my sharing do help you to have a better understanding on how to solve the index number involving 3 years. Okay, that's all my sharing for today. I really hope that you have a beautiful day. Bye bye and have a nice day.